Dear students, in this class we have to learn about coordination number. What is coordination number? The number of nearest neighbors. The number of nearest neighbors of a particle is known as its coordination number. Is known as coordination number. It represented by Cn. That means, for example, if you take a particle x, if it is surrounded by the A, B, C, D, 4 particles, x is a particle, it is surrounded by the 4 particles, A, B, C, D. So x is surrounded by how many particles? 4 particles. So its corresponding, so its coordination number is 4. Next. In BCC, body centered crystal unit, so the coordination number is 8. In cubic closed packing, that is say in CCP, the coordination number is 12. Example 1. In sodium chloride, coordination number is 6. That means 1 Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 Cl minus ions. Similarly, 1 Cl minus ion surrounded by 6 Na plus ions. Next, example 2. In cesium chloride, coordination number is 8. It means 1 cesium ion is surrounded by 8 Cl minus ions. In the same way, 1 Cl minus ion is surrounded by 8 cesium ions. So now 7 primitive unit cells and their possible variations as center unit cells. So serial number 1, first column is crystal system, second one is possible variation, third one is edge lengths, fourth one is axial angles, last one is examples. Serial number 1. First crystal system is cubic. If crystal system is cubic, possible variations, it may be primitive or simple, body centered crystal unit, face centered crystal units. Edge lengths, for example, A is equal to B is equal to C, and that is width is equal to length is equal to height. Axial angles, alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, three angles are 90 degrees, right angle. Example, sodium chloride, zinc sulfide, copper. Zinc sulfide is also known as zinc blend, mineral of zinc. The second crystal system is tetragonal. Possible variations, primitive or BCC. So here edge length is A is equal to B, B naught is equal to C, but axial angles is equal to same. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees like cubic. So example, white tin Latin name is stannum SN, tin dioxide, titanium dioxide, calcium sulfate. Third one is orthorhombic. So possible variations is primitive and BCC, body centered closed packing, FCC, face centered closed packing, face centered crystal structure. Next one is ECC, end centered crystal unit. So here edge length is A naught is equal to B, B naught is equal to C. So axial angles, alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Examples is rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate, barium sulfate. Next, serial number 4. Fourth crystal system is hexagonal. So possible variations only primitive. Edge lengths, also known as axial lengths, A is equal to B, B naught is equal to C. Here bond angle, so axial angles, alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to 90 degrees, gamma is equal to 120 degrees. So examples is graphite, allotrope of carbon, and zinc oxide, CDS, cadmium sulfide. Fifth one is rhombohedral, it's also known as trigonal. So this is possible variations is primitive. Edge length is A is equal to B is equal to C. Axial angles is equal to alpha is equal to beta, beta is equal to gamma, naught is equal to 90 degrees. Example, calcite, calcium carbonate. So limestone, it's also limestone, milk of lime. HGS, mercury sulfide, cinnabar. Next, sixth one is monoclinic. Possible variations is primitive or ECC, end-centered crystal structure. Next, edge length is A naught is equal to B, B naught is equal to C. So, next axial angles is alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees, but beta naught is equal to 90 degrees. Example, monoclinic sulfur, hydrated sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, 10H2O. Last one is triclinic, seventh crystal system. It's possible very primitive, that is simple. Edge length is A naught is equal to B naught is equal to C. Here all axial angles are not is equal to 90 degrees. Examples is K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate, H3BO3, boric acid, etc. So these are the 7 primitive unit cells and their possible variations as centered unit cells. Please note it.